Guys, we have a new server. He just learned the training from our colleague, Abu Masood. And he's happy, meaning his student learned a lot and faster.
Knowledge transfer.
Knowledge transfer? Culture transfer?
Yeah, culture transfer, everything.
Thank you.
خلاص, maybe he after 5 years he will be Saudi.
And he will have his own coffee shop also. Aywa. We call him Abu Rain because his oldest son's name is Rain. So Abu Rain. He's Abu Masood.
My father name, because I don't have kids.
Yeah.
So in our customs, we can call you. We can call you with the Abu. The name after that, the name of your father.
Father, if you're still single.
Yeah,
And no
to
sons.
show more respect for the guy. Also, يعني to be optimistic, يعني you will get kids in
Future.
In the future. Yes.
Okay, thank you. I'm Abu Shari, apparently because my daughter's name is Shari, my oldest daughter. So I'm supposed to be called Abu Shari. Okay guys, we are learning so much about Arabic culture, guys. This is our first time to be together actually. And a good chance to share knowledge. Yes, right or no? Yes or no?